I'm going to keep this Icelandic air review short and simple. If you book early enough, you can catch a direct flight from Washington, D.C. for $250 and it's about 6 hours. Newark and Boston has similar prices, and the flight time from Newark is about 5 hours, and Boston will be in about 4 hours and 40 minutes. Definitely have better seating and more legroom in comparison to some other budget airlines. Probably because Icelandic people are tall. It's closer to Southwest Airlines in regards to quality. Everything is an extra charge on this airline. Be prepared to pay for extra baggage, juice, snacks, and even headphones. The lady even tried to charge me for headphones. Other than that, flight was comfortable, legroom was good, got me to Iceland all good to go. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'd give them an 8. Good job, Icelandic Airline. This is the Runway Boyz in Iceland, Part 1. Let's go.
Gotta keep my distance when you not 100, Both the same will say they love you, lady, funny, You can't match my energy, and yeah, you know it,
That language. Murder, Tuska, Luffa, Dinga, Dong, Ding, Dinga.
First thing I noticed off rip, it was a language I never heard of before. No problem with the language barrier at all. It's all good because everybody there speaks English, and customs was pretty easy to get through. The best way to get into town is using the fly bus system. Private taxis are available, but it's going to be pretty expensive, so you might as well get on that bus. You can buy the tickets inside the arrivals terminal.
Hop in the car, watch it go vroom, vroom. I told her mom that I was soon. Knew as a child, back in the womb. Oh, told her step back, I need my broom. Hop in the car, watch it go vroom.
Reykjavik is a very safe city. You can go around all by yourself, no problems whatsoever. It's very clean, very modern. It's got that European feel. Icelandic people are very helpful, but they don't have no time for no BS. So when you come deal with these people, deal with them and deal with them correctly.
That's a big St. Bernard. This St. Bernard is huge. Look at that bell dog. Wow.
What you got over there? What's it called?
Shima.
Who's got the keys to my Beamer? Shima. What's all in there? Go ahead, explain it to us. What you got in there? What you got going on in that plate?
Tomato sauce.
This
is fresh tomatoes. I can taste that. I can see the tomato chunks in there. It's got onions, green peppers, eggs, over easy eggs in here. Got bacon. And then you got the bread on the side. Fresh cooked bread, fresh made bread. No, bread is fresh.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So I got the cheese steak, extra bacon, and some swine on the side.
Swine, my brother?
I'll let y'all know how it is. Got the French dip on there.
What?
It's legit. It's legit.
How would you compare it to a Philly cheesesteak? Same taste or different?
This one got a little bit more love put into it.
Okay.
Yeah. Even if you go to Pat's or Geno's, they go.
Mm-hmm.
There you go. You can tell they crafted this. This is some good bread, good quality bread. It's pretty good.
Yeah, that fresh baked bread's got to do it.
Yeah.
I didn't even think about
Yeah.
that.
So it's got steak, green pepper, onions. Just like the same stuff as the cheese they got, and then I got the French dip on the side.
Approximately 10 hours later. First stop on our tour is this place. I don't even want to butcher the name, but it's actually a viewpoint over the lake, one of the biggest lakes in Iceland. And as you can see, everybody's up there looking at the viewpoint. So I'm gonna see if I can get the drone up. If not, I'll give y'all some video. Oh, excuse me. On the camera. Let's see what we can do.
The water is very clear coming from underneath the lava, so that's why divers from all over the world like to dive in the lake and in the boats.
This is the place where the plates are getting wider
And all of a sudden the boundaries are reached.
instead of getting closer together.
And this land here sank 2 meters, 200 meters lower. And this, we'll see what this becomes.
Well, I got a little bit of flying in before somebody told us that we can't fly around here. But regardless, there's some kind of magnetic plates are doing something around here. So when you get your drone up in the air, you lose GPS signal. So you really out on your own. So we had enough time. I got a little bit of flying in, but it wasn't what I wanted to. So just know that you might have some drone problems because my buddy, he also said he has some problems with his GPS clicking on. I don't know if it's because of magnetic interference around Iceland or what, but be careful if you're flying drones, for sure. Iceland sits on the Eurasian and North American tectonic plates. This is unique because on one side of the country, you're sitting on the North American side, but then when you travel to the other side, you're on the Eurasian side. The lake that we were just visiting is kind of on both sides because you can visit both sides of the tectonic plates, but we're going over to the Eurasian side now to visit the geysers. 1 hour later. Yo, so our second stop on our tour is the geyser here in Iceland. So these are geothermal springs which just pop up out of the ground because of I guess because of the hot lava underneath the ground.
You are so dumb. You are really dumb. For real.
So they shoot up springs of water. So we're gonna see if we can check one out real quick. Let's go. To 100 degrees Celsius. So if you come anywhere next to that, your meat gonna turn into broth.
But I'm so cold.
So the last one wasn't acting right. So we're going to go over to the bigger ones. We're gonna check out some other ones. See if we can get one to pop. We wanna see if the guys will pop, but we can get a little close up to see what it looks like on the inside though, right here. Oh, it's bubbling. Yeah, so it's like, this is the volcanic zone, so the lava underneath the ground is warming up these geothermal pockets of water. So we came to the big boy geyser, and of course I wasn't pressing record and it just blew off, so hopefully we can see it blow again. Pause. Smells like straight sulfur over here. Rotten eggs. I wonder if it's gonna give us like any kind of warning before it does. Yeah. Here we go! Yay! 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 Now, after we saw the geysers, we came in the geyser center to get a couple snacks. I'll let y'all take a look at the area. So when you come here, you know where to go. They got food, drinks, and all that stuff. Probably best to get some snacks if you want to tour for a few hours. I'll tell you one thing, these people from Iceland, they know how to cook the pastries and keep the sweets going. So it's real sugar. Not none of that stuff that you get back on the mainland. So John got the carrot cake. You like it, dog?
Yeah.
You said it's better than the States?
Better than the States.
Oh, man. Ooh, you better not let nobody's mama hear that, boy.
Many minutes later. One nap later.
This is an Anthony Bourdain spot. He did come here. We looked it up. He definitely came here. So when you come to Iceland, this is the hot dog stand. It's close to the center of town, close to the Radisson Hotel. So yeah, check it out if you come here. What's it called? How do you pronounce that?
Bæjarnes bestu pussur.
Say it again.
I'm sorry. Bæjarnes bestu pussur. I cannot.
We call them glizzies. So I need 2 glizzies.
No, 2 winners.
That's why we call them glizzies, because wiener sounds a little suspect.
Oh, and I called in Washington City, DC, right?
Washington City, DC? No, we call them, it's 2023, we call them glizzies.
Look like that. Oh my god. They wetting that glizzy down with ketchup. What's mustard? What's he doing? What are you? Oh!
We not gonna ignore the fact that you was eating a whole glizzy. Hey, yo, bro. You got your whole mouth.
Hey, yo, what you grubbing on over here, son? No way. You choking down on a glizzy, son? Hey, y'all, come look over here. My boy's jawing down on a glizzy. What? Yo, what the fuck? Yo.
I never hit that before.
Well, now you know. We done brought the modern times to you. So when somebody comes to you, let me get 2 glizzies. You be like, all right. Huh? Everything on it. Let's see how she make it. She do it. Bam. 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 Throw a glizzy on there.
And it feels.
That's it. One more time.
Bæjarnes bestu pussur.
Ah, there we go. Yeah. So say it. So tell them they should come here and get glizzies.
Yes, they come pleases.
What you think about the glizzies?
Listen, this joint is banging, man. I can't eat front.
He feeling like Anthony
They told me
Bourdain.
not to eat these in public. I'm eating these in public. I don't give a fuck, man. You can think whatever you want to, but this motherfucker is delicious.
Glizzy gang. Glizzy, glizzy, glizzy. Can't you see? Sometimes your hot dogs just hypnotize me.